Welcome to our English Vocab listening channel. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to enjoy a lovely story in a kitchen. In this video, you will hear a slow and easy conversation between two friends, Mina and Ken. They are cooking together, preparing fresh vegetables, and learning many useful kitchen words. Don't worry, I will speak very slowly and clearly, so please just relax and enjoy the story. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Please listen very carefully to the story to find the answer. This will help you understand the English conversation even better. So, here is today's question. Which tool do they use for the vegetables? The answer is hidden somewhere in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section below. Writing your answer in English is a great way to improve your skills effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's begin our story.
Wow, Mina, your kitchen is so lovely. It feels very warm in here.
Thank you, Ken. Welcome to my home. Come in, please. Come in.
Thank you. It is actually quite big. I really like the feeling of this room.
I'm so glad you like it. I love this kitchen too. I spend time here cooking every single day.
Every day? That is amazing. To be honest, I don't cook very often myself.
That's perfectly okay. Today, I am going to teach you. But first, let me show you around.
Yes, please. I really want to see everything you use.
Okay, first, look at this. This is the table where we eat our meals every day.
The table is really nice. It looks brand new.
You have a good eye. I got this table just last month. I like it because it's big enough for 4 people.
That is a perfect size. I only have a very small table at my house in London.
Oh, a small table is fine too. Now, come over here. This is the sink. I wash everything here. Vegetables, dirty dishes, and my teacups.
The sink is so clean. It is actually quite shiny.
Thank you. I make sure to clean the sink every day. A clean sink is very important for a happy kitchen.
I totally agree. To be honest, my sink at home is not that clean right now.
That's okay. And look right next to the sink. This is the stove. I cook all my meals on the stove.
The stove looks very easy to use. Is it a gas stove or an electric one?
It's gas. I prefer a gas stove because I can actually see the blue fire. I use it every evening to make dinner.
That makes sense. It looks very reliable. And what is that big white thing over there?
That's the fridge. I keep all the food inside the fridge to keep it cold and fresh.
Can I open the fridge to take a look?
Of course. Go ahead and open it.
Wow, you have so much healthy food in here. Eggs, milk, and many vegetables.
Yes, I went shopping yesterday. I bought many fresh things for our cooking today.
This is great. You have a nice table, a clean sink, a simple stove, and a big fridge. This kitchen is perfect.
Thank you, Ken. This kitchen is my favorite room in the whole house. Now, are you ready to start cooking?
Yes, I'm very excited. Let's cook together. Okay, so what do we need first? Do you have a knife, Mina?
Yes, the knife is right here in this drawer. Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, this knife is very sharp.
Yes, please be very careful with it. A sharp knife is great for cooking, but you must pay attention.
I will be very careful, don't worry. Do you have a cutting board too?
A cutting board. Yes, it's right here. I use this wooden board every single day.
Oh, it's a wooden one. I like it. It's nice and big.
Thank you. A good cutting board is very important. You need a solid surface to cut your vegetables on.
That's true. A good knife and a good cutting board, they really go together.
Exactly. I think they're the most important tools in any kitchen.
I think so too. And do you have a bowl? We need a bowl for the vegetables, right?
Yes, we definitely need a bowl. Let me get one from the shelf over there. Here is a big ceramic bowl for us to use.
That's a nice bowl. It looks big enough for all the vegetables we have.
I think so. We can put the vegetables in this bowl after you finish cutting them.
Good idea. Oh, and do you have a spoon? Maybe a big spoon for mixing everything?
A spoon? Yes, of course. Here is a big wooden spoon. I use this spoon for all my cooking.
A big spoon is perfect for mixing everything together.
Yes, this spoon is very useful. I use it almost every day.
And what about a fork? Do we need a fork for the cooking part?
We don't really need a fork for cooking right now, but we will certainly need forks for eating our meal later.
Oh, right. We need forks for eating later, too.
Don't worry, I will put the forks on the table when the food is ready. 2 forks, one for you and one for me.
Sounds good. So we have a knife, a cutting board, a bowl, a spoon, and forks for later.
I think we are finally ready to start.
Yes, we are. Let's start cooking.
Okay, Ken. First, we need to prepare the vegetables. Can you cut them for me?
Sure, I can do that. What vegetables are we using today?
We have 3 vegetables. First, we have a carrot. Can you see it? The long orange one.
Yes, I see the carrot. It is very orange and quite long.
Yes, carrots are very bright. Please cut the carrot into small pieces. Small pieces are better because they cook faster.
Okay, I will cut the carrot into small pieces. I'll put it on the cutting board. Like this?
Yes, that is perfect. Very good. You are actually quite good at cutting.
Thank you. I am being very careful with the knife. What is next?
Next is the onion. Here is a round white onion.
Oh no, an onion? To be honest, I don't like cutting onions. Onions always make me cry.
I know. Onions make everyone cry. That is very normal. But we really need the onion for our dish. Please try to cut it.
Okay, I will cut the onion. I will do it very slowly and carefully.
Take your time. There is no hurry at all.
All right, done. The onion is ready, but my eyes are a little red now.
I'm sorry, Ken, but you did a great job. Okay, just one more vegetable left. Can you cut this tomato, please?
A tomato? I love tomatoes. They are definitely my favorite vegetable.
Actually, some people say a tomato is a fruit, not a vegetable. What do you think?
Really? That is interesting, but it tastes like a vegetable to me.
I think so too. Anyway, please cut the tomato into big pieces this time.
Big pieces? So not small pieces like the carrot.
That's right. Big pieces for the tomato, but small pieces for the carrot and onion. Tomatoes get soft very quickly when they are hot, so big pieces are much better.
I understand. Big pieces for the tomato. Okay, and done.
Great job, Ken. Now, please put all the vegetables into the bowl.
Okay, the carrot, the onion, and the tomato are all in the bowl now. It looks very colorful, doesn't it?
It really does. Orange, white, and red. It looks beautiful. Now, let's start cooking them.
So, how do we cook these vegetables? Do we use the stove now?
Yes, we use the stove. Let me turn it on for you first.
Can you show me how to turn it on? I really want to learn.
Sure. You just turn this switch to the right, like this. See? The stove is on now. You can see the blue fire.
Oh, I see. That's actually very easy. I can feel the heat already.
Yes, the heat comes quite quickly. Now, let me get a pan. We need a pan to cook all these vegetables together.
A pan. What does a pan look like again?
This is a pan. See? It is flat and round. We use a pan to cook many things, like eggs, meat, or vegetables.
Oh, right. I remember now. We can cook eggs in a pan in the morning, right?
Exactly. I cook my eggs in this pan every morning. A pan is one of the most useful things to have in a kitchen.
I can see that. It looks very handy.
And what about that big, deep thing over there? Is that a pot?
Yes, that is a pot. A pot is much deeper than a pan.
We use a pot for things like soup, pasta, or boiling water.
I see. So a pan is flat for frying and a pot is deep for boiling. That is easy to remember.
That's right. Good job. Today, we only need the pan for the vegetables. We don't need the pot.
Got it. So let me put the pan on the stove for you.
Go ahead, but please be careful. The stove is already getting hot.
Okay, the pan is on the stove now. Is it hot enough to start?
Let me check. Almost. The heat from the fire makes the pan hot. We need to wait just a little longer.
I can feel the heat from here. It's getting very warm.
Yes, be careful. The heat is strong now. Please don't touch the pan with your bare hand.
I won't touch it. Don't worry. So, do we put the vegetables in the pan now?
Yes, let's put the vegetables in the pan and cook them slowly.
Okay, I'm putting them in now. Oh, listen. They are making a nice sizzling sound.
That sound means the pan is hot enough. Now we just cook them for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Got it. It smells so good already.
I agree. I love the smell of fresh cooking. Can you stir the vegetables with the spoon sometimes?
Sure. I'll use the big spoon to stir them around. This is actually fun. That was really fun, Mina. But I think the kitchen is a little messy now.
Yes, it is. Cooking is always fun, but we always have to clean up after we finish.
Of course. Let's clean the kitchen together. I can wash the dishes. Where should I wash them?
You can wash them right here in the sink. Just turn the handle to turn on the water.
Got it. I'll turn on the water now. Oh, the water is so cold.
That is the cold water side. Turn the other handle for the hot water.
Oh, that is much better now. Okay, let me wash this plate first.
Thank you, Ken. Please wash every plate carefully with the dish soap and water.
I will. This plate has a lot of food on it, though. It's a little hard to clean.
Use a bit more water and more dish soap. That will help make the plate clean and shiny.
Okay, I'm using more soap now. Look, the plate is perfectly clean now.
Great! It looks very clean. You are actually very good at washing dishes, Ken.
Thank you. I actually like washing dishes. What's next? Should I wash this cup too?
Yes, please. We used 2 cups for tea earlier. Please wash both of them.
Okay, I'll wash the cups now. The cups are smaller than the plates, so they are very easy to wash.
That's true. Cups are much easier. They don't have much food on them, right?
Right. Done. Both cups are clean now. They look like new.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Ken. Now I'll clean the table and the stove.
No problem at all. I like to help. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen, right?
That is a very nice thing to say, Ken. Okay, I am finished too. The table is clean and the stove is clean. Everything is tidy now.
Perfect. The kitchen looks great again, just like before we started cooking.
Yes, now let's finally go eat our food. It is on the table waiting for us.
This food is so good. Really, really good.
Really? Thank you so much. I'm so happy you like it.
Of course I like it. We worked very hard in the kitchen today.
Yes, we did. The kitchen was very busy today, but it was definitely worth it.
I learned so many things today. For example, I didn't really know how to use a knife well before, but now I feel much more confident.
You did a great job with the knife today, Ken. You cut all the vegetables very well.
Thank you. And the cutting board was nice too. It was very easy to cut on that big wooden surface.
I'm glad you liked it. And you were great with the pan, too. You put the vegetables in at the perfect time.
The pan was really fun to use. I liked watching the vegetables cook in the hot pan. The sound and smell were amazing.
Me too. There is nothing better than the sound and smell of fresh cooking.
I agree. Oh, and I actually liked the cleaning part too. Washing the dishes was easier than I thought.
You are the only person I know who enjoys washing dishes.
What can I say? I like clean things. Clean plates, clean cups, and a clean kitchen make me happy.
Well, that's great for me. You can come and wash my dishes anytime you want.
Deal. But maybe next time we can cook something different.
Sure. What do you want to make next time?
Maybe pasta. We can use the big pot next time. We didn't use the pot today.
That's a great idea. Pasta needs a big pot with a lot of hot water.
And I want to try using a different knife too. Maybe a bigger one for the pasta ingredients?
Okay, a bigger knife for next time. I have many different knives in the drawer.
Today was really wonderful, Mina. Thank you so much for letting me use your kitchen and teaching me everything.
You're very welcome, Ken. Thank you for helping me cook and clean today. I had a great time.
Me too. Let's do it again very soon.
Definitely. See you next time, Ken.
See you next time. Bye, Mina.
Bye-bye.
How was it? I hope this story helped you enjoy learning English today. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Which tool do they use for the vegetables? Did you find the answer during the conversation? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section below. By practicing your English like this, you can improve your skills much faster. On this channel, I share many stories in slow and easy English to help you learn naturally. I will keep uploading more videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a friendly comment. I also offer channel memberships if you would like to support my work even more. Alright, that is all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!